Hello everyone, welcome to Anand tutorial. In today's video, we will see about our national bird peacock. Let's know more about peacock. Okay, so let's start our video. First, peacock is a very beautiful bird. Second, it is the national bird of India. Third, its feathers are golden, green and blue in colors. Fourth, it has a long neck. Fifth, it has two legs. Sixth, it has two small eyes. Seventh, it has a crown on its head. Eighth, peacock loves to dance in rainy season. Ninth, it lives in garden and forest. Tenth, it eats fruits, grains and insects. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video informational, please make sure you like my channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.